Welcome to Top Skill Trainers. For those who were asking me how to transfer USD from SafePal wallet to Binance Wallet, this video is for them. Let's get skilled, let's get growing, right here on Top Skill Trainers. To transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance, follow these steps. Open your SafePal wallet and ensure you're on the correct network, likely Tron or Ethereum, depending on the USDT type. Tap on the Send or Transfer option. Copy your Binance USDT deposit address. To do this, log into your Binance account, go to the Wallet section, search for USDT, select the correct network, matching your SafePal wallet, and copy the deposit address. Back in SafePal, paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the transaction details, including the address and amount. Confirm the transaction. If you need more detailed guidance or have specific questions about the process, feel free to ask. This process is widely used and straightforward, as detailed in multiple tutorials, guides, articles, so link in description box. If this video is helpful, please subscribe now and join our community of lifelong learners, because your journey to success starts here.